All right, so this is chapter 14, study guide. Test will be Friday. Okay? Now, I'm going to pull it up here. We're going to work through this together. Number 1. What is the unit used to measure the energy in food? Calorie. Yep, calorie. Shh, calorie. Okay, so fill this in. Number 2, what is the process of building new cells and structures from digested food? Okay, that is assimilation. Let me write this down. Assimilation. ASSIMILATION. Assimilation.
Oh, I can barely read it. Don't you just love it when like you have the perfect amount of space?
Yeah, I do. Number 3. Blank digestion is the grinding. And you can see I type this extremely fast. It's the grinding food into smaller pieces and mixing with digestive juices. It is mechanical, and that shouldn't be flood. That should be food. Okay. Okay. Yes, and that is mechanical.
Grinding blood.
I'm sure if I did it fast, I would mess up every single question at least.
All right. So number 4, blank is the moving of food along the alimentary canal. What is that called? Peristalsis.
I know how to.
Peristalsis.
For some reason, I thought you said.
Peristalsis.
For some reason, I thought you said is the moving of food alone. That made no sense.
I may have typed it that way.
No, you didn't.
Okay.
It's just when you said it, I heard alone, and I don't know why.
Okay. What is
Wait, what'd you put it in name?
answers? Number 5. Blank is the mixture of food, enzymes, and acid. Boy, I'm really bad. And acid that leaves the stomach to enter the small intestines. What is that called? Chyme. That's right. Chyme.
I think your name was
CHYME. Chyme.
I thought you said kind.
Number 6. Blank is where the absorption of nutrients in digested food happens. This one is the large intestines. Okay? Large intestines. Blank is used to break up proteins. It's the bile. The bile is used to break up proteins. Now, absorption. No, where is the villi located? It's on the inner surface of the small intestines. Thank you. Okay. Number 9. What blank is where the absorption of water and minerals take place. That's a different. The first one is the large intestines, but remember the water and minerals are absorbed in the small intestines. Okay? What organ stores the bile?
correctly as pancreas, but I'm probably wrong.
It's gallbladder. Gallbladder.
Why do I always get those two confused? They're like totally different.
Gallbladder. Now, there are 6 classes of nutrients, and what are those? I'll tell you one: carbohydrates,
Proteins, fats, minerals, vitamins, and water.
carbohydrates,
Good job, Miles.
Of course, Miles would know that.
fats,
Proteins,
minerals,
vitamins.
We'll take
Vitamins.
proteins,
Just see if
vitamins,
that makes sense.
and there's one more. Yep, water. Good job.
Nice job, William.
My mom's
You
friend,
carried.
my mom's friend goes to a church in England where the pastor's name is literally Phil Moore.
Okay, shh. That has nothing to do with science. Let's stay focused. What is the primary function of the excretory system?
Excrete.
Okay. The primary function, come on, give me more than that.
Throws waste out of the body.
It needs it out.
Where's that page at? Okay. You got it that time. To
Respiratory.
remove waste from the body. Which organ in the excretory system does the filtering?
Kidneys.
Yes, the kidneys is called, they're commonly called the filtering organ. Okay? Okay, next. What is the name of the tube that leads from the kidneys to the bladder?
Ureters.
Yes, ureter.
I'm at 9:30, probably.
Number 15. What is the name of the structure in the kidneys that filter waste from the blood?
Nephrons.
Nephrons. Good job.
Of course, Miles knows.
Yeah. Because he's learning the science.
Okay, number 16. The excretory system includes what 3 things? Okay? Remember, it includes,
Kidneys, bladder, and ureters. Or you could say they're urethra. But the urethra is more just like a hole.
Miles.
You need to just like move up 2 grades.
Exactly. Maybe it's
Probably
free.
move up like an
okay, listen. This is what it includes. Exhaling, because it involves the lungs,
Oh, the acid.
right?
of the organ.
Sweating and producing urine.
I bet I meant the organs.
Well, yeah, but not in this situation. And that's one reason why, because you may just see like a question, excretion includes which of the following, okay? And you're going to be looking for exhaling, sweating, and producing urine, okay? What provides the necessary amino acids for your body to build structures and control reactions?
Protein.
Protein. Good job.
I'm trying to let other people talk.
Protein.
Nobody cares.
Number 18, stay focused, is usually used first to fuel cellular respiration.
Carbohydrates.
He's right. Carbohydrates.
Good job, Miles. Miles is ready for a test. Why don't you just give Miles a test?
How about not? All right.
How about
Everybody got this page? Does anything need to be repeated?
Wait, I can't really.
Moving on. The next page. Blank is an organic substance that the body uses to build certain structures.
Minerals.
Okay?
Yeah, we just got
You know, there's so other people in this class besides you.
Well, he tried it.
We're just wanting to name Miles. Just
Okay. Shh. What is often found in fruits and vegetables?
vitamins.
Vitamins. That's why your mommy tells you to eat your veggies.
I always take my multivitamins.
Me too.
I'll eat
I always take them.
I do too, and I tend to have a pretty good immune system, so. All right, yes.
I have a friend from England.
Okay. Number 21. Blank dissolves food and regulates body temperature.
Water.
Water.
With a D. Water.
Water.
How do you spell water?
Like running a water.
How
Shh.
do you spell water?
Water.
W-A-T-E-R. Let's stay focused, okay?
I mean,
Number 22. Blank is used by your body to protect internal structures and store excess energy.
That.
Yep, fat. Please stop making comments and stay with me, please. Number 23. Blank is where the absorption of nutrients take place.
You might have to.
The last one we talked about is where the vitamins and minerals are absorbed, is in the large intestines. The small intestines absorbs nutrients. Small intestines. Remember, there's a difference there, okay? What produces most of the digestive enzymes? Anybody remember this organ? The pancreas.
That one over there.
Pancreas. What part is the first to perform mechanical digestion?
The mouth or the teeth.
Teeth.
Miles,
And then in part your tongue.
Shh. What body part eliminates indigested?
The rectum.
Waste.
Rectum.
Yep, and that should be undigested. Undigested waste. Okay, that's just waste that you haven't digested. Okay, moving on to number 27. What body part is the passageway for food into the stomach?
The esophagus.
And some of these may repeat each other just a little bit, but it's okay. Now, what body part stores bile and releases it for digestion? This one is sort of a repeat, but
Gallbladder.
yes.
Sorry. I wrote that.
Okay, what begins chemical digestion?
And the saliva.
Oh, gee, you're so smart. I just love it. Saliva.
yeah.
The saliva. Make way, make way. On, it's time.
Okay. Now, what order
I love
what is the order that digestive organs what is the order that digestive organs that your body digests food according to how food passes through them? It's not worded exactly right, but
The
what is the order? Well, I'm going to tell you. They start with the what?
mouth.
The mouth.
I wanted to say it.
Okay, what goes next?
Esophagus.
Esophagus. And notice I'm putting an arrow so you can know it goes from the mouth to the esophagus.
Get the same better.
Should we put an arrow?
I think it's probably for the best because it tells you what goes next. And then what?
Stomach.
Stomach,
And the small intestine.
small intestines,
Then the large intestines or the colon.
large intestines, which is the colon,
Then the rectum.
and that's not really an organ, so you don't, well, I guess it is, but you just need to know through large intestines.
Wow.
Well, we'll put rectum on there anyway because it does end there. Name the accessory organs of the digestive system. What are your accessory organs? We talked about those earlier in the chapter, like your liver,
Gallbladder, pancreas. Your eyes is staring into my
gallbladder,
pancreas.
pancreas,
Another one.
And another one is they say it's the salivary glands. Personally, I think those are pretty important, but.
Oh, I'm sorry. I missed a couple of them.
All right, so there we go. We got 4 of them. Why are lungs considered part of the excretory system?
They excrete carbon dioxide when breathing.
Okay, or you could say lungs expel. Excrete, expel, same thing. Carbon dioxide as waste. Now, I'm not going to tell you the answer of number 35, okay? I want you to look this up and be thinking about this to write a short answer on this, okay? That is going to involve, complete sentences. But I want you to think about, compare the roles of the liver and the pancreas in the digestive system, okay? So you'll look up in your textbook what was said about the liver, what was said about the pancreas, and just compare those two. You guys know how to compare and contrast. And what I would do is I would do that myself, and I would write notes on that, okay? Any questions?
Can we have the test now?
No.
No.
No, just Miles. Give it
I'll
to
take
Miles.
the test now.
Now, with that said,
Let's stress this.
Give it to you.
Okay.